Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Energy Saver on your LENOVO 14e Chromebook Generation 2. First of all, open the control center from the bottom right corner of your device's desktop. Then click your battery status right here and switch the toggle on next to Battery Saver option. You can only switch Battery Saver on when your device is not being charged. So if you're charging your device, in order to enable Battery Saver, first you're gonna have to unplug the charger. And to disable this feature, just switch this toggle to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.